Whether you're serving a line that's going out the door, moving from event to event, or cooking in a tight kitchen space, you need the right tools that'll help you exceed customer expectations. One of those tools is this 14-inch griddle from Vollrath. It's portable, it cleans up real easily, and it gives you the cooking power you need wherever you're at. But why would you choose this griddle? Let's talk about that. Consistency. The advanced element evenly heats the cooking plate, eliminating hot and cold spots. That means every burger, pancake, and sandwich comes out the same. No refires, no waste, no problem. Temperature control. Your staff can hit the exact heat levels every time with the help of thermostatic control. This automatically adjusts heat to keep the level you set. Plus, the knob guard prevents accidental temperature changes and hits when you're in the zone. Recovery. The steel cooking surface retains heat and recovers quickly when cooking with a full grill. You can really dial in your cooking times and get superior food quality with every meal. After a long shift, this griddle cleans up in a pinch. Pull all the leftover grease and carbon into the built-in grease trap. It pulls out for easy disposal, and you would clean with water and a grill brick. Simple, fast, and fatigue-free. Needless to say, this Vollrath griddle is a true gem to have in any kitchen for any cooking setup. So, turn up the heat in your kitchen by buying this 14-inch griddle on asmart.com or visiting us at A Smart, Curtis, or Big Plate Restaurant Supply today.